on?
Okay, guys,
Stand up on the hill.
Okay, I know. Okay, we are doing a experiment right now. We are gonna see if boiling water.
Get up on the hill. When you're in position, upper head over.
Right here?
Okay.
Up on the hill.
Okay, he said we have to go. My dad said we have to go up the hill. We're gonna throw boiling water in the air, and we're gonna see what happens. Say hi, Josh.
Hi.
All right. We are gonna see what happens. It's gonna be super epic. I know, because we always try to make sure it's gonna be epic for this video. So, guys, if you want to know how to see if this works, please go into the description. Okay, here we go. It froze.
Go, get it.
Whoa. And there it goes.
We made a cloud.
Really?
That was so cool.
Nothing really was damaged.
Not.
But most of the water got frozen up into a cloud.
Yeah.
It was awesome.
What I'm smelling
Okay.
is spaghetti.
So guys, if you did like this video, make sure it was winter and like in the negatives when you're doing it. So guys, thank you. If you liked this video, please have a good like, and please subscribe. Alright. Sorry, it's pretty cold out there. Okay, I'm gonna end this video. Okay, bye guys. The way how to do it is in the description below. Bye guys.
Wait, I got
Peace.